Hello, today we will guide you through how to export code from Framer. Let's get started inside Framer by opening the project that contains the design you want to export. Make sure the canvas is visible and that you can see the layer or form you intend to turn into code. Working directly on the correct project ensures the export captures the exact structure and styling you've already set up. Next, right-click the element or group you want to export. From the context menu, choose Create Component. Turning your selection into a component makes it self-contained and easier for the export tool to handle, preserving hierarchy, constraints, and styles. A prompt will ask you to name the component. Enter a clear, descriptive name that reflects its purpose, such as header, contact form, or feature card. Consistent naming helps later when you import the code into your development environment and keeps your project organized. Confirm by clicking Create. Framer will wrap the selected layers into a component, which you'll see in the left sidebar and on the canvas. If anything looks off, this is a good moment to adjust layout or constraints before continuing, as the export will mirror what you have here. Now head to the small drop-down at the top left of the Framer interface to open the main menu. From here, select Plugins. Plugins extend Framer's capabilities and give you access to specialized export tools. Click Browse All to open the plugin catalog. In the search bar, type React. We're looking for a tool that converts Framer components into React code with minimal setup. From the results, select React Unlimited Export. This plugin is designed to translate your Framer components into clean React files, making it easier to integrate designs into a codebase. If prompted, continue to the plugin page and launch it. You may be asked to sign in. Choose the option to log in with your Google account or the method you prefer. This step authenticates your session so the plugin can process your component. Avoid sharing any sensitive details during this step. Once the plugin is open, select the component you created earlier as the item to export. Double-check that you've picked the right one. The name you assigned will help you confirm it. Finally, click Export Component. The plugin will generate the React code and provide a way to download or copy it. Save the output to your project folder and review the files in your code editor. Consider this a starting point. You can refine props, split logic, and integrate styles as needed. Test the component in your React app to verify layout, interactions, and responsiveness. That's it. You've exported code from Framer and set yourself up for a smooth design to development handoff.